How to make your own natural cat's repellent. Don't get me wrong. I love cats, but not when they're feral and defecating in my vegetable garden or marking my front door as their territory. My solution? I make my own natural cat's repellent. My homemade cat repellent is easy to make, safe, economical and, for me, has proved effective. Things you will need: cup dishwashing soap, lemon scented. Cup castor oil. 1 cup water. Spray bottle. In a medium bowl, gently mix lemon scented dishwashing soap and castor oil, then add 1 cup water. I prefer using a natural formulated dishwashing soap for my own natural cat's repellent. This would be a soap with vegetable oil instead of petroleum oil base, and one that uses real lemon oil. You can purchase castor oil at most health food stores or pharmacies. Carefully pour your homemade cat repellent mixture into the clean spray bottle. If you can use a recycled spray bottle, all the better. Spray your natural cat's repellent around the perimeter of your home or yard where cats frequent. If you don't have a spray bottle, you can soak old sponges in the cat's repellent solution, then wipe or drip onto foliage or affected areas. Reapply your homemade cat repellent periodically, especially after rain or if the area has been irrigated by sprinklers. Tips warnings. I found the feral cats in my neighborhood were avoiding my house within a week or so of my using this cat repellent recipe. Once the cats stopped coming around, I've not had to use the cat's repellent as often. I hope you have similar luck.